welcome back to another video. Today me and Anton are going to the country house, so I'm going to pack some things because we have a lot of things that we need to bring with us. These are the clothes that I have prepared. We're just gonna stay there for one night, so I don't need to bring a lot of things, but we also need to bring bed sheets, and we're also going to bring the PlayStation. Since I have a lot of things that I'm going to bring with me, I also need a smaller suitcase. This is the Luminous Textured suitcase from Level8s, and this is what it looks like. And I love this suitcase because it definitely, everything fits perfectly in here for a weekend. It also has this code lock right here, so no one can get into your bag if you are traveling with a flight or a train. But we are going by car, so we don't really need to think about safety, but it's also good. You never know when you get a robbery in your car either, so it's still good. And it also has this, which is great for a lock, to lock your bag in. This bag is 20 inches, so it's a really great fit if you are just traveling for a weekend, and like even 2 weeks traveling. If you pack minimalistic, you can definitely bring this bag with you. This bag has two sides. I'm going to pack the bed sheets in here, and there's a lot of space. And then on this side I'm going to pack some clothes and other essentials. I think also that we will have the PlayStation 4 on this side. But anyways, this is a great bag. You can also fit accessories in here, and I think I'm going to put my makeup and like underwear in these two. I'm going to start packing the clothes, and I'm actually traveling in what I'm wearing right now. So I am going to travel in this, and I'm also going to wear this one while traveling. So these I'm not going to pack. This is a cardigan that I'm going to bring with me just because it's very cozy, and at the country house it is super cold because it's winter and it's not heated. So we need to heat it up with a fireplace. So when we get there it will be super cold, so I will need a lot of light clothes to keep the warmth. So I'm going to pack this one. This is a quite thick cardigan, so I think this is a perfect place to fit it. And then I'm going to bring my pajamas with me. It's just a two-piece set like this. This is from Caithleen.O, which is a Swedish brand, but I think they do international shipping as well. This is one of my favorite pajamas. It's very thin, but it keeps the warmth, and it's just super nice. It feels very luxurious to have this. So I'm going to place them right here. And then of course I'm going to bring my leggings because they have a fleece inside because it's super cold, and I don't think I'm going to be wearing these sweatpants the entire weekend, so I want to have a pair of extra. A normal long sleeve shirt. Since I have the leggings, I want to bring my leg warmers. Although they do have fleece inside, they are very thin, and it's just nice to have something to warm the legs as well. So I'm going to bring these, and they are super cute together with the Uggs, and that's like mainly why I want to bring them as well, because they're really cute together. That is it for this side. I'm going to close this because we do have a lot of things to pack in here as well. I'm going to pack all the electrical stuff on this side, and on this side I will have the bed sheets, and we need a sheet, a cover for the blankets, and covers for the pillows because there are already pillows there. This is the only matching set I have for a bed smaller than this, so I'm just going to bring this one. It's just a gray normal bed sheet, and they look very not so aesthetically pleasing. So I'm going to have just the PlayStation and the handles, or like the game thing, whatever that is, separately in another bag, just for those. But the bed sheets definitely gets to be in here. I'm going to pack everything that I need for my, like, any beauty products and hair products in this little bag right here. Every product that I'm going to pack, I don't have a lot of products that I'm going to pack actually, because the water is turned off at the country house. So we don't have any water, which means it's a real country house. But okay, we're back at like 1980s. It's okay. We're going to play PlayStation anyways. So since we don't have water, I will not be able to wash my face. So I'm going to wash everything off before we leave, and we're going to shower and everything before we get there. But it's just a little bit of a struggle because I have problems. Like, I really need to wash my hands like every 20 minutes. I need to do all of those things. So this will be quite a challenge for me. So I didn't bring a lot of washing products or like face skincare. The only thing that I'm going to bring for my face, or me and Anton both, is this one. And I have been showing you guys this for a long time. This is the only product that I will always stick by and use over and over again. This is the CeraVe moisturizing cream, and this moisturizes perfectly. It's perfect for all types of skins, and also if you have like, if you're super dry, this is perfect. This is a little bit healing also for the skin, so that's great. And also, of course, I'm going to bring SPF. This is the only thing that I will never stop using besides CeraVe moisturizing cream. These are the only things that I use for my skin like every single day, and I will never stop. I'm going to pack these in here. Okay, so for my hair, I'm going to bring this Olaplex number 7. This is a hair oil, and I use this on my hair every night before I go to sleep. Not a lot, just a little bit on the ends, because I want to keep my ends from splitting. I want to keep them healthy. So this is something that I use every night on my ends, just a little bit. Olaplex number 3, I have only tried it once. I'm not going to bring it with me, but I just wanted to show you guys because I really love this product. And I've only tried it once, but I feel like this will really be a game changer for my hair. I've heard people having problems with Olaplex number 3, and it is because they use it too much. So don't use this more than 3 times a week. Sometimes some people only need it 1 time a week. So make sure to get to know your hair and don't use it too much, because that will lead to cut off hair, like that your hair is falling out. I always have my hairbrush with me no matter where I go, so of course I am going to pack this one. And this is the Tangle Teaser. It's very good. I love it. It's perfect for my hair. And then I'm going to bring a scrunchie and a little bit, this is like a very soft hair tie. And I am also going to bring this claw clip right here. And that is it. And this is the Luminous Textured 20-inch Suitcase from Level 8. If you use my discount code Caithleen.O 10, you will get a 10% discount off at your order, which is perfect for the holidays when we are all traveling to see our families. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe if you like fashion content, and I will see you in my next one. Okay, bro. Ay.